I've parsed the response from icons8 call. This is the total response, which includes like headers and some kind of stringified thing up front, which is all of this content. But inside, we have the icon JSON structure. So I gotta just copy that in. So I think the structure is response. I could just say for icon, and so HTTP get has error response callback. It's a callback with the arguments of error and response. Basically, if there's an error, it sends it. Otherwise, it's the stuff you want. So generally, you say something like if error, then it's some throw. I don't know, new meteor error or something. But I'll just say console log error. Else data for icon in if data icons length. For now, icon in response and data icons. We'll say found icon docs find one model icon. We're going to attach it by the ID. In Meteor, we have underscore ID, but yeah, I guess I should just be making the Gradagen tutorial. It's just a bunch of YouTube videos. And then watch within Gradagen how to build Gradagen. So ID. Let's see. Found icon docs found one. ID is icon ID. This icon refers to that. So if we find it, then we already have it. Unless found icon doc, we'll say docs insert model icon. ID. Well, for icon and data icons, the icon data is that, and we'll say so icon is the JSON of the return document. It has that structure. So we'll say, so icon is an object. So we'll add to the object for our models icon dot model. Or I think I'm going to add a data thing because we'll have our own fields on the icon. It should be like icons8 data or just data. So we'll say new ID, new icon, ID, docs, model icons 8. Yeah, and it'll be like icons8 ID, icons8 name. So icons8 equals the icon object model. Save the new ID. New doc equals docs find one new icon ID console log new doc. So that's in there. Oh, yeah. Model icon. This is where delta would come in. I'll just copy something for now. Or just make a widget. Yeah, that's what I should do. So I'll just throw it in the home. I'm going to disable the map for right now because it's going slow. I don't really have a sweet alert. Should get rid of that. All right, home widget. Icons8. Template. No. Icon browser. So that'd be like a concept browser, really. Right now it's an icon browser. Browser. Header icons. Where can I copy this from? Task. Checklist. I should just use the home page. Just search for concepts and then show the icons. Yeah. All right, I'm just going to type the main home search to the icon. Home search. User search results. Pick tags. Results. Pick tags. These should be like the concepts that obviously get their own icon. And avatar. Search site. Search site. Yeah. Yeah, it does. Regex session. Yeah, title. So it's building. All right. Well, this is like the omnibar. So this is, and I guess this would just be our AI interface eventually and ultimately. All right. Search site. Key up. Throttle makes it only run all of this every quarter second. Because otherwise, this is kind of a lot, I guess. I'm gonna make that have a second because it's pretty rough. This is the event that we're firing off of, which is this thing, event object, and template. Let's just make it easier to read. Event might say if e which is 13, console log will say e dot which is key code and 13 is enter. So let's console log the event and template. Yeah, I guess if Noel's gonna go on Udemy, you could just watch these. This is it. It's like you want to learn. And then popular documents on the site are the videos of the site being made. Match title. Okay, search length. Console log event template. Search site. That's a value. Trim. If there's a space, trailing space at the end, it removes it and it turns it all lowercase. If this search length is 0, meaning there is something in that value, create a new match object and add to that a key title with the value of this whole thing. Yeah, we're pulling the session current query into this regex, which is the Mongo way of filtering strings options or something like case independent. I think. Found results, docs fine. So you just pass in the match object into the query and then count. If found results is 1. Oh, interesting. Found result. If so, when you hit enter on the search bar, this is nav search. I guess we should have just the same thing. I'll just replace nav search with this. So search site doesn't exist anywhere else. Okay. So the home page search, I don't think is tied to anything. If found results, console log found result. If found results count as 1, then this is the object. Find it, add it to the history IDs, and go to that page. So if there's one result and you hit enter, just go there. Otherwise, when you hit enter, add a tag to the search. And what is search? Oh, search is the value. Wait. If query is length, this is the value. If the length, then set the session query. So I'm setting it to query. Okay. There's a whole bunch of repeated stuff here. Yeah. So we don't need to pull that twice. I guess we can save this. I don't know why. If query length is 1, session set. Oh, because we're sending it to the subscription. If key is escape, session set, current query. Search site. Okay. If the escape is then set it to null. If query.length is 1, let's just say if it's above 1, so it is 2. Yeah, you type 2 things in, it should be returning something. If escape is 2, if which is E is enter, console like that. Search that value. So we can just say search is that. So we don't need a session get current query. Yeah, the YouTube field is just a basic field. It just takes the YouTube query. I can do that. I can browser doc results. Working icon 8 query almost add to DB from home search save point nav search logic cleaning nav profile Watson server hide sweet alert cam init YouTube field and clean home left path. So we also want is for its search now. So this is the beginning of This is the beginning of, you're not just reading from the data, but you're creating data as you're interacting with it. Yeah. So regex title, okay. And we'll just say if it is enter and found results is 1, else pick the event search, and we can also just say else meteor call. I think it was call icon search. That's that. And then we make that a callback, so it's asynchronous, meaning it won't wait for it to finish to go through the code. Search site val session set current query no. So call icon is back in Watson server, I guess. Call, let's say console log calling icon query. I feel like we should just do a video call and then record that. I don't know, YouTube streaming is cool. All right, so what does this do? Search bar, search doc users. All right, we'll say tree. Oh, because it says nav search. Nav E is not defined. Nav coffee 217. I'm gonna just say E T. See that in the template. Just replace those. This can just be that. So car query's not defined. Nav coffee 225. Yeah, that. It's the doc search for. So car, search car, and And then in the server, so I just made it search for the icon call when you hit enter on the search nav bar, and it's going through and printing out all the responses, all the individual icons from the response. So each one of these is an icon. And, yeah, carpool and all that. So now all I do is like save them and show them. And I guess you just do like a general icons8 ID with the URL. Carpool. All right, because there's other different platforms, like carpool is in everyone. So yeah, we'll have like 12 icons. So we save each icon. All right. Yeah, I guess just make this smaller in the home model filter. It's like, this is, I feel like, too blocky. Like, it's cool to see people here, but then there's all this, and I have to scroll it down to see any content. And this is going to be the main draw. And I don't know why Oracle has this showing up. But well, yeah, gotcha. Yeah. Let's just see if we can do that. Right. Yeah, there's reasons for every type of interface. All right. I'm gonna do like search. We'll just go standard category. That would be good if we could do that. Something that simple. I mean, it's okay, but I don't. I guess I would know how to make that dynamic. Well, there's also the CSS custom dropdown, which is direct to make dynamic, but that just takes some more time. Why can't I freaking do dropdowns? UI dropdown. All right. You're trying to do like a. Oh. I see what you're doing. The fuck? Large center zoomer invert, color green. Animated fade, inverted, tertiary, circular, large center zoomer invert. Wow. Fade, inverted, tertiary, circular, large centered zoomer invert. All right. That's cool. Blur. So just do a drop down. Drop down. Just make this work. I drop down icon menu item new item. All right. So launch modal, add doc. So we have template. I don't remember how I did it. Did I just add doc? Click. Nav events, add doc. Hey Dan, how are you? It's sorry, I was just in the middle of anyway. Yeah, Riverside is. No, it's fine. No, it's fine. Just yeah, it's good. Riverside. I don't know. I don't know what to say. Their users are going on and using it, and we're talking. We have meetings about once a week, and I guess we're just trying to make it work and smooth. Yeah, those are once a week on Wednesdays. Um, I like him. He's a nice guy. We're just going through my life, and then he said once we kind of finish the timeline, we'll go into certain parts. So it's called parts therapy. That just goes into hangups and whatever parts of me are kind of stuck. Yeah, I mean, I guess not. I mean, we were doing okay, and then she's just on and off like every couple of days. It's just some form of I don't love her enough, or she wants more commitment, or she wants everything. And then she says, I don't want to control or slow you down in any way, but then I also want, basically commitment. And I'm just going, okay, I don't know, whatever. Do you want to hang out or not? I don't know. So that's where it's at. And um, yeah, yeah, I'm glad you like them. It was nice to go through them. And yeah, it makes a difference just kind of walking by and seeing a memory. Yeah, how are you? Yeah, yeah, I'm glad. Um,
this year. So I'm looking forward to those things. So otherwise, it's the same old stuff. Sounds like the same old stuff out there for you, and you're going along and we're going along and we're all just getting along.
Yeah, well, that safari sounds exciting. That'd be fun to, another cruise or something.
All right, I just thought I'd check in and make sure you're doing okay. And you gotta start getting ready to go out tonight. So I'll just stay in touch. All right.
Okay.
You do too. Okay.
Yeah, sounds good.
All right. Love you. Take care.
Love you too. All right, bye-bye. All right, so the launch modal button should globally launch the modal, but the add dock thing doesn't work. So we'll just replicate it here. You click add dock. So we'll just put that for here and home. Fucking Christ. Alright, that's a little bit better. I need to make it so when it closes, it deletes the file. Alright. Connect. And search to icons8. Call. Update home play button to work with modal and add dock logic. Okay. Cool.